Hello everyone, today I'm doing just the foundation of my face chart, sort of a 3D skin effect. Disclaimer, I'm no makeup artist, so bear with me here. First, let's start with an unusual eye color. I chose yellow, because it makes the eyeshadow pop up more and I like it a lot. I use this piece of paper to avoid staining my face chart. It's like a paper mold. With a fluffy brush and very light hands, I start the base. I'm going for a light beige shade. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder, slowly but surely blending my foundation to achieve a smooth finish. Now we move to the eyebrows. I slyly line them, and then try to draw hair strokes as fine as possible, following the natural direction of the hair growth. Let's try the left one. This one is tricky. I don't want to turn the face chart, so my hand is gonna be on the way and you wouldn't be able to see. Also, I'm trying not to lose my fake nails that keep falling off. Apologies. With a dark shadow, also from Maybelline, I'll fill my brows and give them an intense and textured look. Now with what left on that same brush, I'll try to shade the tip of the nose and around the edges of the nostrils. Gently, I shade the nasal bridge lines from the start of the brows. I come back with a bigger brush, using a bronzer, to intensify a bit those lines and create a shadow. Let's go back and add more depth to the nostrils, and narrow the tip. With an eraser, I clean the area and create the illusion of a light reflection. Let's move to the cupid bow, which I just line with barely any shadow left on the brush. And then I shade very gently the center of the bottom lip. Once again, with what left of shadow on that brush, I carefully shade the lower eyelash lines. And then, go up and shade the lids while keeping some spot where light is supposed to be hitting. Now contouring. Let's give this beauty a snatched face. It will also give her a beautiful skin complexion and more dimension. We keep blending, and again more blending until the desired tone. I hope you like this tutorial. Tell me what you want to see next.